How to fix missing files in Openshot. If you open your Openshot project and see missing file warnings or black boxes where your clip should be, don't panic. This usually means Openshot can't locate the media files because they were moved or deleted. The first thing to do is check the original folder where your videos and images were stored. If you move them, put them back in the same place or note the new location. Next, right-click the missing clip in the Project Files panel and select Replace Clip. Navigate to the new file location and select the file again to relink it. To avoid this in the future, keep your all media files in one dedicated project folder and avoid moving or renaming them while editing. Before starting big projects, copy all your clips to a single folder and work from there. This keeps everything organized and prevents missing files. Have you ever lost files mid-project? Tell me how you recovered it in the comments below. Once your files are relinked, Openshot will load everything perfectly again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.